Good day, guys. We're gonna start with primer. Use water-based red face paint and paint your whole face and neck. If you look totally stupid, you've done everything right. Lip balm. Use setting spray so your base will stay in place. Contour your chest using black. Blend it out. Use a mixture out of brown eyeshadows on your eyes. Add a light one in your inner eye corner and under your brows. Draw an eyeliner, of course out of frame. Fill in your lips with black oil-based face paint. Set it with eyeshadow. Clean it up if you have to. Contour. Don't forget your nose. Use some highlighter on the high points of your face. Fill in your brows. Clean them up. Use brow gel. Sketch a pentagram on your forehead, and because you're using eyeliner, draw it on out of frame. Add an upside down cross. Line your eyes. Style your hair. And finish it up with some more setting spray. Now you can add some accessories. Voila, you're done. Until tomorrow, bye.